This conference will now be recorded.
Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and today I'm here to tell you about the Salesforce Wave Winter Updates 2018. As you know that Salesforce Wave is an online cloud data visualization tools released by Salesforce, and they are continuously releasing the new updates. So recently they have released a new updates for Salesforce Wave. So here I'm to tell you that what other new updates has been released by Salesforce. So if I look into this interface, so the first of all update which I can explore by myself is when we click on create data set, we are getting four options. Previously we used to get only two options, one for CSV, one for Salesforce data, but now we are getting two more options, external data and your data set. External data would be connecting in support enterprise applications, data warehouse, and database services, which was previously available along with replication. But now it has been added here. So if I click on this external database, we are getting two options, add remote connections and Salesforce local SFDC local. And when we click on add remote connections, so these are the couple of databases through which we can connect. Snowflake computing connector. This is a new released. This is a new connector or new driver which has been updated by Salesforce, Snowflake, Amazon or AWS RBS, and Windows Azure SQL database, and Google BigQuery, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Heroku Postgres, and so on. So this is one of a new update, and as you can see, it will redirect you to data manager, so you can directly switch to data manager and click on connect to data. So that's one and the same thing. So let me switch back to Analytics Studio. Another difference is when I click on app, so we are getting two options. Previously, we used to get the more than two options. So now we have only two options, create a blank app or create apps from templates. So what they have done, they have put all the templates like sales template, service template. They have combined and put all of them into a templates area section, and they also provide a separate section for creating a blank app. Similar manner they have done for dashboards also. If you click on dashboards, you will be getting two options, blank dashboards and dashboards from templates. And if you click on create dashboard from templates, you will be getting all the templates which used to scatter, which were all together, but now these templates have been put into a separate category and marked as dashboard from templates.
This conference will now be recorded.
Another change you will find out if we click on a data set, and let's move to a lens. So I click on BISP sales, it will open a lens for me, and in lens you will find out the limit section or limit option has been added below beneath after filters. Earlier it was at the top above this view, but now it's added over here. Rest of these options are same, and also the charts are more categorized. As you can see, the charts are more categorized. They have been placed in a more categorized manner. And if we'll switch to formatting, so I'll see that all the formatting options are same. There are not much changes in formatting options. In same manner, one of very interesting thing, or one of the very interesting update which you can say which attracts me a lot, that is when we switch to SAQL mode, in SQL mode, they are giving you options for those who are new and those who don't know. They would like to they would like to have a tutorial to learn how to write and edit a SQL queries. There's a video going on, and when they click on it, a video keeps on going, and they will be it will guide them how to uh, know the SQL editor and how to switch to SQL editor, how to write that SQL, how to write SQLs. Another one of the very interesting update is, as you can see here, we are getting a new option to add a new data set. So now in this case, basically now the developer, they don't need to remember the database names, and wherever you place your cursor, I click on add new data set, and I would like to link with account CSV. I click on account CSV, and it automatically gets added here. So wherever you place your cursor, after line number 5, after limit, after for each, it automatically adds the first load statement, and this can be replaced or this can be customized later on. But this is a very cool feature which has been added, because earlier, whenever we try to add two data sets, or whenever we try to add a separate data set, or to we want to add a reference to another data set in a lens, it used to throw an error message. This error has been resolved, or this issue has been resolved in this version of Wave Analytics, and we can add new data sets, and we can apply uh, the co-grouping and union operations onto it. So this is in lenses. Now let me switch to dashboard, and we'll see the dashboards. What are the new updates has been released in dashboards? So first of all, in dashboards, there are not much changes also in devices and all. But if you want to learn about the layout settings, so basically at very on most of the time, you would be getting the options to learn about these things which you are new to, or which are new to them, or which you are not familiar with that. So you will be going to learn about layout settings. So you can click on it again, it will play a video for you, and you can it will help you in guiding the how to set the layout, how to change the layout for the dashboards. Now let me drag and drop a widget, and on this widget let me add a data set. So basically I'm adding a simple visualization, and the visualization is by region. Done. One feature which is added here, that is the if we preview this, and when we preview, you see the exploration icon, exploration action has been separated from the action menu, and earlier it was together, but now it has been added as a separately. So if we want to turn off the exploration action, so we can turn it off, and we won't be able to preview that. So when we preview it, we would be getting the detail and all, but we won't be getting the exploration actions. And still, if I want to turn off this, so I turn off the widget action, and you can see that the whole option has been disabled. So now because many times we don't want any additional action, or we don't want to provide any additional information with the end user, so we can hide it by disabling this option, which is called the show action widgets. Steps are same. There are not much change in steps, and also dashboard properties and all. Now if we'll switch to data manager, in data manager, one of the things you can see is when you switch to your jobs, when you are running jobs, you can see we have a list of data flows, and it says that how many number of data flows we can execute in per 24 hours. So so the total is 50 flows can be refreshed, or 50 flows we can execute in every 24 hours. So this helps us in tracking the flows, and it helps us to set the limit also. And in data flows and data set recipes, that's not much change, that's the same. And also you are again, we are getting a help option here, just like in the form of video. Same in data also. And in data we can get a list of data sets, and in connect we can connect to local and external data. And if you want to see how do I connect, we can click on this and watch the video, which will help you out to connecting to the external data sets. So these are the few changes which has been released by Wave Analytics, and rest of the widgets. So no more widgets has been added now. There are not much widgets added here. So rest of the options and features are same, exactly same like in previous version of Wave. These are some new updates, new features has been added, which I've told you in this video. So that's all in this video. If you have some queries, you can post on our website. You can mail to us for more queries. You can post your comments in comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.